Sassafras, Sassafras albanum and the Lauraceae, one of the most widely known trees in the eastern United States, and a very interesting tree because of its past medicinal uses and currently used as a thickening for Creole food. Sassafras occurs under a wide range of conditions, and under some conditions is a very large respectable timber tree. But under sort of a thicket type condition, it's often in a twisted group of trees that don't have a whole lot of stature to them. The leaves are one of the first trees of any tree that kids learn when they're growing up because they have such a distinctive leaf. It can be deeply lobed with 3 lobes. It can sometimes have 2 lobes, or the leaves can have no lobes. Bluish green during the growing season, and then during the fall, one of the most spectacular fall color displays of any. And this leaf that is way ahead of the fall coloration scheme is already showing some of that color. It can be pure yellow to deep blood red and purple and orange. It's one of the most beautiful trees in the fall. The leaves, when they're dried, ground up, actually is used to thicken gumbos. It has a mucilaginous texture. When you scrape the stems, which are very bright green in color, the scraped stems have a very strong odor, almost citrusy or lemony. And the same characteristic is common when you cut into the bark. The bark initially has a ridge and furrow system that is rather diamond shaped. The ridges are rather rectangular, broad, and you cut into them, it has a very light color, sometimes a darker color, but when you smell it, it's a very nice lemony or citrusy. Typically in thickets, very common throughout the eastern United States, Sassafras albanum are common sassafras.